How to gift a gift card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can gift cards to others. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy. The process is simple. First you'll have to find the gift card of your choice and then choose the amount and then purchase it and then type the recipient's name and email address and you can email it to them. How you can do so? First thing, you can simply head over to the particular website to purchase the gift card. So I'll just search in here gift card purchase. So here you should be able to see gift cards and websites as such. Now I'll just search in for my reason here so that I'll not have any issues later. So you can see e-gift cards. What you can do is you can select particular gift cards there. You can purchase it, and once you purchase it, now you can simply tap on buy now and add the recipient details. You can type in your friend's email address and their name, and you can include a personal message there as well. So once you go ahead and proceed to check out there, you should be able to enter it once you enter in the payment details. So this way you can gift a gift card online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.